In today's hot air balloon landscape drawing, we're going to start with the hot air balloon that is biggest and closest to us. So we might want to start a little lower on the page, somewhere down in this space here. And you can start with pencil first, but I'm going to go straight into my marker so you can see everything that I'm doing really well. We are just going to do a nice curved shape for the top of the balloon. It can close down here at the bottom a little bit, and then we want to close that up with a curved bottom. It curves out a little bit. And then just to create the basket down here, we will make a proportionate box down here, a little rectangle that is a nice size to go along with the balloon that we have drawn. And we'll create the ropes that connect it. And if you want to add some texture onto your basket, maybe it's a woven basket, you can do a little cross hatching. And on these balloons, when we do the patterns on here, we want to curve these lines around. So starting in the middle and curving sort of around to show the roundness, the contour of our balloon here. One in the middle might be a little bit straighter, so we've got that. And if you want to do some other designs on your balloon here, you can do that. Remember that they should wrap around in a bit of a curve, not straight across, because we want our balloons to look rounded. So that line is going to curve down just slightly to go with the curve of that balloon. I'm going to repeat that process 2 or 3 more times, each time making the hot air balloons get smaller and higher on the page, filling my sky with hot air balloons. Remember, just like your leaves in your fall tree that you created in the last project, as the hot air balloons get higher, they are going to get smaller and farther away. Now that you have your hot air balloons floating around, notice that I did mine mostly in the diagonal, and then I had a lot of empty space here, so I added one that was really far away over there. You can arrange them however you like, as long as they are bigger, medium, and smaller, so that it shows that space happening. Next, we're going to add in the landscape behind the hot air balloons. So we're going to create some lines to divide up the space. I'm going to do one here, one horizon line to create a level of space. And notice that I did not draw through my balloon. When I got to my balloon, I stopped, picked up my marker, and I continued on. I did that one mostly straight, so this one I'm going to do a little bit bumpy to represent some faraway trees or plants. And then I'm going to do one more that's a little bit less curvy, but still different than the other one, to be like a hill that's kind of far away. And then your sky you can do however you want. You can add some clouds back here. Just make sure that they are behind your hot air balloons, not in front, and you can make some bigger and some smaller, again, to make some look like they are closer and farther away. And if you'd like to put the sun in there, maybe it would be interesting to have it somewhere on the horizon. Maybe you could have a sunrise or a sunset, or if you want it to be up in the sky, you can do that too. I'm going to put mine down here. Alright, now that you have your drawing completed, we can begin coloring it. Any other details that you want to add are up to you. If you want to make this space down here water, it can be water. This could be a field. We've already got some trees, so we can color those maybe green. And if this is going to be a hill or a mountain, we can pick a color that would be for either grass or rocks or dirt, things like that. And our sky, of course, we can color to go with the time of day that we want it to be.